Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing the strawberry makeup trend. Hailey Bieber recently released a video where she did this makeup trend and I absolutely love it. I've been using a ton of blush lately, so this makeup trend kind of fits perfectly with my current makeup routine. It reminds me of a clean girl look with a ton of blush, so that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. Before I start, all of the makeup products that I'll be using in today's video are going to be linked down below in the description on my LTK. Okay, onto the makeup. To get a good base going, because I've been out in the sun and sunburn and I've been breaking out recently and I haven't broken out in a while. Don't really know what's happening. I'm going to be using the Kosa foundation in the shade Medium Neutral. This is actually a recent foundation purchase. I've heard really good things about Kosa, so I decided to check them out, and they are a clean beauty brand, and I'm not gonna lie, their product feels so nice on the skin. It has a little bit of a fragrance, but it's so delightful and kind of reminds me of like a summer's day, so I don't mind it. Next up, I'm going in with a touch of concealer. I'm going to be using the ColourPop concealer. I picked this one up at Target recently. Target like has these on sale all the time. At least like the whole like ColourPop collection is always on sale, so I always pick it up whenever I'm running low. It's a nice concealer and it's relatively cheap, so the look doesn't require a lot, just a little bit by the eyes. Next up, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Natural Glow Bronzer. This one is an absolute favorite of mine. I have been using it for quite some time now and I just love how it looks. So I am just adding touches of bronzer around kind of like the outline of my face, I guess. Now for the fun part, the blush. So I have 3 blushes here with me. Let me flip that around real quick. These are 3 blushes from Jones Road. Now this is a brand I've never heard of, but they recently sent me their products, and you guys, these are the best blushes I have ever received, and I use them now every single day. So I'm gonna mix the 3 of these to get that strawberry glow on my face. Now the first blush I'm gonna go with is this one. I use this one the most out of all 3 of them. This kind of has a balm-like texture when you apply it to your face. It's very dewy and gives you a very sun-kissed glow. It's kind of on the darker side of the colors, but it's more natural, so that's why I really like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna start mixing it in and applying. Alright, blush number 1 is applied. Next up, I'm going to go in with the same balm-like texture blush, but it's a brighter pink this time. Again, mixing it in and dabbing. I'm glowing. Okay, I think that's enough of that one. I'm like really red. Okay, so now to finish up the blush, I'm gonna go in with this little one. This is a very light pink, and this is a powder blush, so different than the balms that I was using previously. I'm actually gonna just go in with my little nose contour blush and just apply little dabs all around. This stuff is so pigmented, as you can tell, so you honestly really don't need to use a lot. I think a contour brush for your nose is the perfect size. The next part of this makeup look is freckles. So bear with me the way that I'm gonna do this. I have this eyebrow gel stuff that got sent to me from the same company from the blush, Jones Road. I swear this is not an ad for them. I just have a ton of their stuff. And then I'm gonna be going in with this little makeup brush and I'm gonna just dab into the brown here and tap it on my cheeks. I don't have brown eyeliner or anything else really that would work, so we're just gonna do it this way. I'm gonna put a lot of freckles on. The more, the merrier. Okay, so I put on a ton of little tiny freckles, and then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend all of these in. Okay, there we go. I think that looks so much better. I'm gonna go in and do a little winged liner, nothing crazy. I also don't really look good in winged eyeliner, but she did it in the makeup look, so I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna do my winged liner over there because I need to focus, so I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did 2 little winged liners. I think they look pretty cute. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm literally just gonna brush through them with this clear gel that I got, same brand, Jones Road. I swear they're not sponsored. I'm just gonna brush through them really quickly. Feathered eyebrows are a vibe, so I'm here for it. This is my first time using this gel. It's honestly really nice. Okay, eyebrows are done and they look pretty good. Okay, now it's time for mascara. I'm gonna go in with my little Ilia travel size mascara. Anyone else like have to keep their mouth open when they do this? I have no idea why. It just helps me focus. Next up is my favorite part of any makeup routine, my lips. So Hailey used like 2 different blushes and this lip peptide treatment for this like glossy lip finish. So instead of using 2 blushes, I'm actually just gonna mix together 2 Charlotte Tilbury shades and then go in with my typical Charlotte Tilbury lip liner And actually this ColourPop, this like had packaging on it. I'm just realizing I have no idea where it went. I'm a little confused right now. That's why I was kind of staring at this like, what? I'm not really overlining like crazy. I'm just buffing out my lip a little bit. Next up, I'm gonna be mixing 2 Charlotte Tilbury shades. The 2 shades are the Kim KW. So this is a lighter color. It's like a very, very blush pink. And then the next lipstick that I'm mixing into it is this Pillow Talk? Yeah, so my good old Pillow Talk. I know because it's a nub, but this is Pillow Talk. Clearly I need to get a new one soon, but this is my all-time favorite shade. It's literally like a tint darker than my lip color and it just looks so good. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna take Kim KW, which is the lighter blush shade, and I'm just gonna put it on the center of my bottom and top lip. And then I'm gonna go in with Pillow Talk and just mix in those colors. And then I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss and finish it up. And there it is, all done. This makeup look is so fun and so easy to recreate. I love fake freckles and blush. Again, if you want to check out these makeup products in more details, you guys can check them out in my description down below on my LTK. Okay, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.